One of our goals at Circuit Board Medics is to simplify the process of removal of the circuit boards we service. This video is showing the removal of the gauge cluster from an international truck. This gauge cluster was used in many international trucks from 1992 to 2004, including the 3000, 3800, 4000, 4700, and 4900 series. The removal of your cluster may vary slightly from what you see in this video depending on your vehicle, but should follow the same overall steps. First, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws at the bottom of the cluster. Next, you will need to remove whatever trim or dash parts are over the top edge of the cluster. Our dash trim piece has only two screws to remove, as you can see here. Once you have access to the top edge of the cluster, remove the two screws that secure it to the dash. Next, you will need to release the two clips that hold the top edge of the cluster. You will not be able to see these clips until you have the cluster pulled out, so we are showing them here. To release the clips, slide a flathead screwdriver just behind the black plastic frame in line with the gray button and press in while pulling out on the cluster. As you can see here, there are actually two spring tabs, so it may take a few tries to release both of them at the same time. Once you have the cluster loose, tilt the top edge out so you can access the wiring connectors. Disconnect the three wiring connectors on the back. Each connector will most likely have a locking tab that you will need to press in to release the connector. If your cluster has any air gauges, disconnect those at this time as well. Your instrument cluster is now ready to send to Circuit Board Medics for testing or repair. Please call or visit our website to place your order or if you have any questions.